Hello everyone, this is Dane. This is Samal, Davao del Norte, Philippines. It is rainy season this time. Rainy season. Look at this. Okay, we are collecting water for our reservoir and see what we have. That's the amount of water we get, and it will just get wasted, man. So we use them for watering the plants later on, and I'm pretty sure that our 20 by 20 by 8 cistern will be full soon, very very soon, with the way it looks. Dad, look at the water. Look at. Another driver, look at that.
See one more wearing.
Wow. Let me see what my other buddies are doing here. That place on the front right there, we are cementing, so that's why we have those the roof, the metal roof there, because it's not quite done. We just got finished with that. I'm really happy with this, because for straight 2 months and a half we did not have any rain like this, and it was scorching hot the whole entire time since we got here from US last March. So we had started with our rainy season about, I would say, 2 weeks and a half ago. And so far, this is probably the sixth time that it had rained very hard like this. I'm looking at the water right there coming down from the gate. You see the incline there? It goes down following the driveway, but we have some sort of gutter somewhere in here. It's a manhole, so the water goes to the other side of the overlooking. So we are covered in that aspect. Alright now guys, thank you so much for watching. You will have a good day, and I'm going to see if I can enjoy the sound of the rain. God bless.